Select the type tool. The font I'm using is N10, the size is 500, and for the color it's white, the same as my layer here. And now left click and now type your text. Select the move tool, I'm going to place it here. So now select the text layer, right click, convert to smart object, and now right click on the text. Select blending options. Select the stroke. For the stroke size it's 3 pixels. Change the position to inside. And for the color it's black. Now press OK. And now go to Edit, Transform, and then Perspective. And now I'm going to rotate it a little bit. And now I'm going to drag from this handle here to the right, like this. And now once you're done, just click on this icon here to confirm. And now hold the Alt key, the Shift key, and the up arrow key to create multiple duplicate of your layer. So here, as you can see, I have created 33 copies. Select the top layer, hold the Shift key, and now scroll down. And now left click here on the original text, left click. So now we have selected all the layers. And now just click on this icon here to place them on a folder. And now select the move tool. And now I'm going to move the layer here like this. And now click on this arrow here. Let's go inside our folder. If you want, for example, to change the text here, since this is a smart object, you just need to double click on the original text. This one here, not the bold copy 1 or 2, this one. Double click. So as you can see, we are inside it. So bold.psd. This is our image with the text and all the layers. So select this one here, the smart object. Select the type tool. Double click on the text layer to select it. And now you can also change the font, the size, the color. So for me, I'm just going to change the text displayed. So here, once you're done, go to File, Save Smart Object. So here, Smart Object updated. And now let's go to our image. So here it is, changed.